Use AT20-bit to loosen the 10 screws securing the service cover. Open the battery box cover and then remove the service cover. Use AT20-bit to loosen the 5 screws on each side to remove the motor covers. Disconnect the LED electric assembly connector from the right main PCBA. Use AT20-bit to loosen the cord clamp screw. Disconnect the 2 battery harness connectors from the battery management system or BMS PCBA. Stand the mower up. Use AT20-bit to loosen and remove the 2 battery box screws under the deck. Return the mower to its original position. Use AT20-bit to loosen and remove the 8 screws in the battery box. Remove the battery box and front cover from the top cover of the deck. Use AT20-bit to loosen the 2 screws securing the battery box cover, then remove it. Place the battery box with the bottom facing upwards. Use AT20-bit to loosen the 2 screws to separate the battery box from the front cover. Use AT15-bit to loosen and remove the cord clamp that secures the LED electric assembly wire harness. Remove the LED harness from the traps. Use AT20-bit to loosen the 6 screws to remove the LED electric assembly. Take the LED assembly out from the front cover. Replace any parts as needed. To replace the battery connecting wire assembly, use AT20-bit to loosen the 2 screws securing the 2 cord clamps. Use AT20-bit to loosen and remove the 4 screws securing the battery connecting wire assembly. Disassemble the other side in the same way. Now the battery connecting wire assembly can be replaced. Here are all the parts that are available for replacement. Pre-assemble the small parts. Place the release button into the slot. Then place the small assembly. Assemble the connecting wire harness with the sliding block and properly place them into the battery box. Mount the compression spring in place. Place the support structure onto the battery box. Use AT20-bit to secure the connecting wire assembly with 4 screws. Assemble the other side of the battery connecting wire assembly into the battery box following the same procedure. Arrange the wires into the mounting traps. Use AT20-bit to secure them with 2 cord clamps. Assemble the LED electric assembly into the cover. Use AT20-bit to secure it with 6 screws. Assemble the front cover onto the battery box. Use AT20-bit to secure it with 2 screws. Secure the LED electric assembly harness into the traps. Use AT15-bit to secure it with the cord clamp. Assemble the battery box cover. Use AT20-bit to secure it with 2 screws. Slide the battery box, together with the front cover assembly, onto the top cover of the deck. Make sure that the battery connecting wire assembly cables are secured in the traps to avoid pinching. Use AT20-bit to tighten the 8 screws in the battery box. Reconnect all the connectors and place them into the pockets and cables in the traps. Use AT20-bit to mount the cord clamp. Use AT20-bit to assemble the right motor cover with 5 screws. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Use AT20-bit to install the service cover with 10 screws. Stand the mower up. Use AT20-bit to tighten the 2 screws under the deck.